Good morning, and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Binance deposit suspended. So when you're facing this problem, basically if you're trying to deposit a crypto you can deposit because it's suspended. There's various reasons behind this. The first reason could be, let's say you could deposit a crypto a few weeks ago, a few months ago, and you tried to deposit the same crypto and Binance it's not working because Binance might have suspended that crypto. So let's say for an example there's a Witchy crypto and you could deposit Witchy crypto and bindings few months ago, but right now, due to some reason Binance decided to delist Witchy crypto from Binance because Witch crypto was illegal crypto. So Binance, decided to remove it from their platform. Then you can, in that case, you can do anything until and unless Binance decides to put that crypto and again into Binance you can deposit. And the other thing is, if you just logged in into your Bandits account, and you try to deposit some crypto, you can, after logging into your Binance account, you need to wait for at least 5 minutes for your withdrawal on your deposit feature to be unlocked. So just wait for 5 minutes after logging into your Binance account and a deposit feature should be unlocked again. And in some case, when Binance is upgrading something, so let's say for an example, like you're trying to deposit XRP in Binance, but the XRP deposit section is under maintenance, which means Binance is fixing some error, which was coming up on the XRP section, then the only thing you can do is wait until that maintenance is over for depositing XRP again. Alright, so if that's the case, you need to wait. So there's 3 cases. The first case, you need to wait for at least 5 minutes after logging in. The second case, of Binance delisted that crypto for being illegal or other purpose, the only thing you can do is wait for Binance real estate again. And then the third case, where the crypto is under maintenance. The only thing you can do is wait, right? So these are the way and how we guys can fix this problem. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World, and bye bye.